Alright guys, I'm going to show you my train layout, just to show you how the train runs on it. Not like a running session or anything, or just to show you how my track is. Alright. I don't know how dirty the track is, so I don't know what it's going to be like, and sorry, all this crap is in the way. We cleaned out our garage today, so it was like, you couldn't even walk through here, so I think my stepdad did a pretty damn good job. So yeah, seems like this track is a little bit dirty, but that's it. So yeah, I don't know if I mentioned this in another video. I think I did, but it's 4 foot by 16 foot. And oh yeah, I'm not gonna put cork bed down. And I tested, had a little bit of roadbed, and I tested balancing roadbed and balancing non-roadbedded track. And oh, it's not on here yet, but I'll show you. Maybe. I don't have any more cork roadbed or any roadbed, for matter of fact. But I liked the way it came out with no cork roadbed, the ballasting. So I'm just gonna go with that. But just ballast this regularly like this. So that's good. I don't have to spend my money on cork or any kind of roadbed. And I added this switch in here, so I'm almost done. Like I said, I just need to get a couple pieces of flex track, and this piece will probably come down to like curve down to about right there, all the way up right there. These two pieces will probably just come straight out, like right there or something. So yeah, alright, well, thanks for watching.